I think it's very cool to use acid stuff. I love the 303 stuff, so I'm gonna check for the ABL3. It's a great little plugin to make acid lines. I also used the TB3. It's a great little machine, but I don't know. It was a little bit too hard programming it, and this thing just works for me. So I'm gonna put it on. Okay, something like that. There's something that is cool. It's called the Roser. It's also a sequencer like the Sting, but in this one you can choose the key and stuff. So here it is the key. You can't really see it because it's made for the light theme of Ableton, and I like the dark theme. But I can see it over here. You have the key, and the key needs to be in D. And what you do then is, now it makes sequence, and you see what it does. But if you put random, it makes a random sequence. And you can change everything about it: the octave, the pitch, the velocity, whatever. Or the length of the sequence, for instance 32. Yeah, okay, let's see if we're gonna use this. Maybe some of the parts, because the bass lines itself is already a bit complex. Maybe only that one. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Just not too much. Also gonna record this MIDI. Yes, like that. Okay, so now we have that. I'm gonna put this over here and say goodbye to the Roser. It's a super cool plugin. You can also choose which scale it is, chromatic major, harmonic minor, and it's a real cool plugin to freak out with stuff. Okay. Yeah, I think that's something that can work with the track, because yeah, you want to have new stuff coming into the track, stuff that people are like, ooh, what's this? That's cool. So I think after a while, it's cool to have this new